How to create an account on Hoopla. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Hoopla. So to do that, first of all, download the Hoopla app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where if you already have an account, you can simply log into your account by tapping the login option, which is in the top right corner of your screen. But if you don't, you can simply create a new account by tapping the option sign up. After that, tap on the option let's go. Now you'll have to first of all select your library. So I'll simply choose my library and then tap on the option next. After that, you'll have to connect with your library. Now, for this, you'll have to basically enter your library card without spaces. So simply grab your library card and then enter your library card right over here. After that, tap on the option next. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully created an account on Hoopla. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.